Are you looking for professional steam cleaners in Melbourne? You must look for professionals with following qualities. 1. Requisite skills and capabilities. 2. Proper pre-cleaning arrangement. 3. Respect for privacy. 4. Experience. Are you looking for professional steam cleaning service in Melbourne with these qualities? Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne should be your favorite service. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.